A question that I get asked all the time is organic food better? Organic food is a growing trend in today's health-conscious society. Other than being more natural, pesticide-free, some even say that they are more nutritious and better for our health compared to conventionally farmed food. However, so far the evidence for these claims is mixed. While it's true that organic farming practices minimize the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, there's limited scientific evidence to support the claim that organic food is more nutritious than conventional food. Some studies have found that organic food contains higher levels of certain vitamins and minerals, while others have found no significant difference. It's important to understand that the nutrients in food are influenced by many factors, including the quality of the soil, climate and weather conditions, and storage and harvest methods, amongst many other factors. So it's possible that the differences in nutrient levels between organic and conventional food could be due to these factors, rather than whether or not the food is organic. Also, it's important to keep in mind that the definition of organic can vary from country to country, so not all organic foods are created equal. Some organic foods may be minimally processed, while others may contain added sugars, fats, and preservatives, just like conventional food. While organic food can be a great choice if you can afford it, it's not a necessity for a balanced diet. As far as vegetables go, try to eat a variety of different vegetables close to their original form, whole and minimally processed. Whether or not they are organic or conventionally farmed, you'll still reap benefits. As I've mentioned before, eat across the rainbow. If you are on a tight budget, it's okay to prioritize the purchase of organic foods based on your personal values and dietary needs. For example, you may choose to purchase organic fruits and vegetables that have a higher risk of pesticide residue, but opt for conventionally farmed grains and legumes that are typically lower in pesticide residues. The most important thing is to ensure that you are incorporating different food groups that meet your nutritional needs. The bottom line is, while organic food can be a great choice, it's not essential for a healthy diet. There are so many ways to promote good health through a balanced diet and physical activities. A final note before I sign off. It's also essential to pay attention to portion sizes. Too much of anything can be unhealthy if consumed in excessive amounts.